Hello friends, welcome. My name is Himanshu and I'm going to be your trainer for this MS Excel program. I've got the expertise into this field from the last 6 or 7 years and that into teaching as well as some projects also. So you are going to have a practical knowledge into this. Rather than having a complete introductory video for you, I thought that it should not take so much of time, and I'm going to wrap this up in probably 30 seconds and so it is. And we are going to cover our first topic in this video, and that is the structure of MS Excel. We will have the overview of it, so let's get into this quickly. First of all, here you may see home, insert, page layout, formulas. These all things are tabs. The thing is, when you are clicking on tabs, then all the details related to that particular tab is going to open in this area, and this is known as a ribbon. Once you may see this option here. This is to minimize the ribbon. Now it has been minimized, and if you are going to click anywhere, if you want to like make it bold, go to home, and I'm making it bold, but it's not going to be there. So if you want it to be stable there, then you need to go over here once again and there is an option of expand the ribbon, so you may click over here. Pardon for the voice. Now this is the tab, and once you will click on tab, you will get to see all the option in the ribbons. Now ribbons options are divided into various group options. You may see here in home tab, in this ribbon there are plenty of group options which are like clipboard, font, alignment, number, and so on. Now in this group, if you want to explore these group options, you may see these in this group area, and if you want to explore even more options related to this particular group, you may click on this display box launcher. This is known as display box launcher. If you will click over here, you will get to see even more options related to alignment. There we go. And this is known as dialog box. Okay, so these are tabs. If you click on tab, ribbon will open. Under ribbon there are plenty of group options, and if you want to explore more group options, you need to click on display box launcher. Dialog box will open and you may apply those options. Now the next thing that we are going to understand this is that these tabs and these group options can be customized by yourself. In order to do that, you need to go to file, go to option. There you will see customize ribbon, and in customize ribbon you may see these are the popular commands. However, these are the tabs and these are the groups under that. If you want to create a new tab, I'm selecting the last tab, which is a developer or add-ins also. Here you may see that's the add-ins. So I'm clicking on new tab. A new tab has been created. Right click in order to rename it, and I'm giving the name, let's say utility. Click on OK, and in this group again I'm doing the right click, rename, and I'm going to give this important tools. Okay, and under this group I'm going to assign few of the important tasks like conditional formatting, custom sort, format painter, or freeze pane. Okay, click on OK, and you will see this utility tab over here. Click over here and you will get to see all these options. This is being used very smartly. You may create a tab altogether by yourself, and you may put all those options which you think can be required by you, and for that generally you need to go in different tabs, but you may keep all those options in a single tab so that you will not have to move anywhere, and you can do your task very quickly also. So you can customize this header section of MS Excel. Now coming the part here, you may see in this particular window where you may write anything. This is the spreadsheet structure. What is spreadsheet structure? Spreadsheet structure is actually a vertical straight line intersect with horizontal straight line, creating row and column environment. So this is spreadsheet structure. Now in this spreadsheet structure you will get to see the columns and rows. So ABCD representing columns and 1 2 3 4 representing rows. There you may see the sheets. By default there are 3 sheets which are open, and if you want to create new sheet you need to click over here. And if you want to do any changes in this sheet, like if you want to hide it, delete it or rename it, you can do it from here. How many sheets you can create? You can create n number of sheets. There is no limit as such. Now coming to the next part, 1 2 3 4 representing rows. How many rows are there? In order to find that, control and down arrow key I am doing. What it does actually, if I am going to this data, if I will press control and down arrow key, it will bring me to the last filled data, which is 175 row. But if I am going to again press control and down arrow key, you will see I have reached to the last row in this particular spreadsheet, which is 10,48,576. As far as column is concerned, I am going to do the same approach, control and right arrow key, and here it's XFT. In order to find out what is the column number, I am going to apply a very simple function equal to column. Okay, and it will tell you you are in the column number, which is 16,384. So as far as columns are concerned in Excel, it's 16,384. If I will ask you I am in which cell, you need to answer that okay, I am in D5, and here you may see this is the name box where you will get to see the destination cell. Name box can be used for the navigation purpose as well. Let's say I have clicked over here and I want to reach A54, enter, and I have reached to A54. This is the formula bar. If I have set my cursor over here, this is the answer output which I have got by this particular cell value plus this particular cell and this particular cell. You will get to see the formula over here. If I am going to do a simple selection, and you will get to see the formula in the formula bar, and you will get to see the output in a cell. So this is it for the structure part. In the next video we are going to understand about the cell and its properties. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.